Hey friends! In today's video, I just wanted to get on here and answer a few of the questions that I have gotten about my Simplified Lettering course. Now, the enrollment for the course does close tomorrow, which is Monday. It'll close at midnight Central Standard Time, so you have the rest of Sunday and then all of Monday to purchase if you have wanted to join that course. And so I just wanted to give you a little reminder. The course will open back up, I'm not sure when, but if you would like to know about that in the future, you can sign up to be on my email list, which I can leave the link for that in the description box below. But I did get some repeated questions that I thought would be helpful to answer, and for this video you are just going to see lettering with these Karin Brushmarkers. I have had lots of requests for me to do a review on these, and I will do like a full actual review, but for now I just thought that it would be fun to show you some lettering using these, and I'm using the regular brush markers, and then also I do have some lettering using the metallic markers on a black paper. So I thought that I would just do some lettering here so that you have that to watch while I answer some of the questions that I got. And if you're on my email list, you may have seen some of these answers already, so if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. But the first question is, when you close the course, would those who paid still have access to the materials later? And the answer is yes, and this is a great question because it's one of the best parts about signing up early. Not only will you continue to have access to the materials as long as the course is available, you'll also have access to the updates and additions to the course. So like if I go back and add an extra module or worksheet set to the future launches, you will have access to those updates regardless of if the price goes up. And just to clarify, when the doors close to new signups, that doesn't mean that the course ends. It's a completely self-paced course, and you can watch the videos and then you can go back and watch them again. It doesn't mean that you have to have it done by the time the doors close. It just means that we won't be adding any new members for the time period, because I want to be able to focus on the people who are working through the course, and inevitably I just get a lot of questions when I launch something like this, so I just wanted to be able to close the doors and focus on the people who are working through the course. The next question is, how is the course different from just watching a bunch of lettering videos? And that's another great question. One of the main differences is that my lettering videos don't have printable worksheets to go along with them. I did create all of these worksheets exclusively for this course, meaning you can't just go buy these exact same ones in my shop, but if you were to buy similar products in my shop, the cost would be well over $70. And that's kind of one of the main reasons that I wanted to create a course. I know that a lot of people watch YouTube videos and have no intention of spending a dime, and that's completely fine. I still have videos on my channel and I'm still going to keep making videos, but the thing is that I have an Etsy shop with printable worksheets, and quite often I will have people go to my shop and purchase like $80 or $90 or even $100 worth of worksheets. And when I see that, I'm like, I want to be able to help you, and I want to give you more than just printable worksheets. I want to be able to help you, like if you have questions, and that's kind of what the Facebook group is for. And I want to be able to like guide you a little bit further than just printable worksheets. So for those people who are wanting to invest that money, this is perfect for them. So if you are like, I just want to watch YouTube and I don't want a course or I don't want worksheets, that's completely fine. Or if you just want to purchase one style of worksheets and work through that on your own, that's fine as well. But after seeing that time and time again with people spending this much money on printable worksheets, I just wanted to have something else to offer them. So another difference in the course is that it starts with the very basics and guides you through my step-by-step process for creating beautiful layouts. The course is laid out as a roadmap for you to watch from start to finish and has all brand new videos that are not on my YouTube channel. And another bonus that I mentioned a little bit is the students-only Facebook group to learn from each other, to ask questions, and discuss the specific modules. And if you have joined the course but haven't requested to join the Facebook group, make sure to do that. You can find that in the intro module of the course. So question number 3 is, how much does it cost? And the introductory cost of this course is $89. However, I cannot guarantee that low of a price for future releases. I will leave a link below for you to check out exactly which modules are in the course. And you can also find that I went over them on my Instagram stories. If you go to my Instagram and click on the story highlights that says the course, I also kind of opened up my computer and filmed what's inside the course. So if you're curious about what's exactly in the course, you can find that in the description box below. I will leave links there. But a little breakdown to hopefully help you understand the value of what's inside the course. It has 35 plus lessons, over 160 minutes of real-time letter with me videos, and printable lettering practice worksheets in monoline script, both upper and lowercase, sans serif, both upper and lowercase, faux calligraphy, small brush lettering, and large brush lettering in all of those are also in upper and lowercase. There are lettering connections worksheets, which is all of the lettering connections like AA, AB, AC, AD, and so on throughout the alphabet, and basic strokes worksheets for both small brush pens and large brush pens. So again, the cost of the worksheets alone would be well over $70 in my shop, and that's why I'm excited to be able to offer this great deal. And again, if you plan to never spend a dime on lettering, that's okay. This or even any other course will not be for everyone, but for those of you who are wanting to invest in your lettering skills, I am excited to have this course to offer you and be able to share with you everything that I put inside of it. So question number 4 is, will you be offering this course later? And yes, I do plan to. I don't have a specific date because, again, I want to see how it goes with the current students and how long it takes for them to work through it. One of the reasons that I wanted to close the doors is because inevitably when I have a new product releasing, I get a lot of extra emails and questions and behind the scenes things that I need to deal with. And I wanted to be able to have some time to be available for the students in the course without being extra distracted by a course launch going on. However, if I had to guess, I would say that maybe I will open the doors again in the early springtime, maybe around March. But again, I will leave a link below to get on my email list if you would like to be notified when it opens up again. And the last question is it printable or is it an article? So the format of the course is mainly video lessons with printable worksheets as well. You can see each of the modules and lessons and how long they are by clicking on that link in the description box and scrolling down to the section that says class curriculum. The first module is shown with slides, and then there's an intro and an ending, but most of the rest of the course is my usual desktop style of teaching. You can also see when you look through the class curriculum that there are real-time lettering videos that go along with the practice sheets. I get so many requests for real-time lettering, and I'm really hopeful that they'll be helpful for you to watch as you work on your worksheets. So I hope this helps give you a little bit better of an insight into the course. I know that there were some specific content questions that I wasn't able to address, so I did go ahead and, like I said, opened up the course and filmed what kind of was inside it on my Instagram stories. So if you have not seen that yet, I will leave a link below for my Instagram, and you can watch that in the story highlights that says the course, which is just the little circle underneath my profile. And I think it's the first one on the left right now, so I'll try to leave it there until the course launch is over. So again, if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.